My video is about the danger of fake survey alerts that come from the website Hourtenwalk-13.life. The pop-up may be presented in several languages depending on your regional settings. It may be formalized in English, French, German. This one is in Russian. The pop-up displays pretty deceptive messages that tell you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some great prize. However, the pop-up also sets the condition for getting that prize. It says you need to pass through a special survey where you need to answer some questions. These questions don't really require any special knowledge. The point is that at the end of this primitive survey, you would be told to enter some of your personal details. For instance, this can be your name, surname, email address, and other sometimes private information. And that's the purpose of these pop-ups is to collect your personal details. For instance, if you enter your email address, you may be seeing a lot of spam delivered to your account, or sometimes these criminals may manipulate your personal information for reaching their malicious goals. So I recommend you to be careful not to interact with these pop-ups. My suggestion is that you perform additional scanning of your Mac with Combo Cleaner, which is the antivirus for Mac, because these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Once the application is downloaded, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. The free analysis of your Mac will then begin. This is the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. You will be able to find the locations of all threads that were found during the scan. To remove threads automatically, you must upgrade to the Combo Cleaner Premium version. However, even this report is very handy because it shows you the location of the threads in your system. You may open your Finder and then go to the location of these threads and get rid of each specific thread manually by moving it to the trash, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to get rid of these threads automatically. By the way, you may also have an option to request a limited functionality trial activation key, so consider this option to get the free trial key for the short period of time. Thanks for watching.